Hey, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will learn about how to use index with match function. So this is a combination of index and match function. And we will see also that how it leverage the functionality of index. So as we are aware that when we need to use index, we will write index, then comma, then it asks for array. So we are very much aware that this is my array. Now, question arises that what we need to find from which row. So this is 113 is the value that I need to find here in this column. So if you do remember that in the match function, we learned about that match helps us to finding a position. So let's write match. Then what we need to look 113. From where we need to look? So we need to look here. And exact match. All right. Then let's suppose that I wanted to find, this is the second column that I am aware right now. So we'll put this. Now we see 113. Yes, 113 is for Brad. The name of 113 is Brad. So without knowing the row number, we use match and find the position of that ID in this data set, this particular A data set. So it gives me value of 4. And then we put column name manually. So it gives us value Brad. Now in the next example, we will write the same formula index. Then we will use our data set, then use comma, then match. We need to find 113, that is ID value, ID column, then exact match. Now I do not want to mention the column name manually, so I will write again the match function. Then what I need to find? I need to find a score, and for a score the lookup array is this, and a comma, then 0. Let's, it gives an error because we haven't closed it properly, so automatically it picks that. Now this gives us value 62. So this is 113, then this Brad, and the score for Brad is 62. Now let's suppose that instead of a score, we will change this value as grade. Now this value automatically become changed. So this is how match column name has helped here. So it automatically changed because it was picking first the score. The score was the third column. Now I changed the name as a grade. So now it become the fourth column. I automatically pick the grade for Brad, that is F. If I can change this value as 118, then I see here the grade is 108. 180 for grade is D, and the guy name is Colby. So in this video we learn about how index work, how to use index match function in the index to two-way lookup. Use the two-way lookup. Two sides, they automatically pick the value either from column or the row, and we see the magic how it worked. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you in the next video.